Summer is just around the corner, and the last thing you need is your home's air conditioning going out when it's 100 in the shade. Avoid costly repairs today by scheduling your preseason AC tune-up with the experts at McCullough Heating and Air.
With McCullough's $69 AC tune-up special, we'll inspect your whole system for peak operation to help save you money and add refrigerant if needed to keep your home cool.
Get fair, transparent pricing and unmatched service. Turn to the experts at McCullough, Austin's HVAC specialist and a certified Carrier dealer. And schedule your AC tune-up at CoolMeNow.com.